Hello and welcome to our latest episode, where we discuss the impact of big tech on the global economy and its workers. In recent months, we've seen some of the world's largest technology companies lay off thousands of employees as they navigate the challenges posed by the pandemic and the changing market landscape. Segment 1. The layoffs. To start, let's take a look at the extent of the layoffs. Some of the largest tech companies, such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Intel, have announced plans to reduce their workforce in response to the economic challenges posed by the pandemic. While these companies are still profitable, they're looking for ways to cut costs, and layoffs are one of the most direct ways to do so. Segment 2. The impact on workers. So, what does this mean for the workers who have lost their jobs? The reality is that many of these workers are highly skilled and experienced in their fields, making them highly sought after by other companies. However, with the current job market being highly competitive, it's likely that they'll face significant challenges in finding new employment. Segment 3. Skills and reskilling. One of the key factors that will determine the future of these workers is their ability to acquire new skills and reskill for new job opportunities. With technology rapidly evolving, many of the skills that were in demand just a few years ago are now becoming obsolete. That's why it's so important for workers to continuously learn and adapt to new technologies and industries. Segment 4. The future of work in the tech industry. The layoffs in the tech industry also raise questions about the future of work in this field. Will there be fewer jobs in the future? Will workers need to continuously reskill to stay employed? While it's difficult to predict the future, one thing is clear: the tech industry is changing, and workers need to be prepared for that change. Exploits tech. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to tune in next time as we explore the latest trends and developments in the world of technology. Until next time, farewell.